In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on Google Drive, providing a seamless and organized way to keep your digital files accessible and neatly arranged. Whether you're using it for personal documents, work-related files, or even collaborative projects, knowing how to set up folders in Google Drive can help optimize your workflow. Let's dive in and take it one step at a time. First, to begin our journey into Google Drive, navigate to the Google Drive homepage by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL, or simply searching for Google Drive in your search engine. Once you've arrived at the Google Drive landing page, make sure you're logged into your Google account. If not, please take a moment to sign in. Now that you're in, you'll be directed to the My Drive section. This is the hub for all your files and folders, a place where you can see everything at a glance. Our next move here is to locate the New button, which you can find on the left-hand side of your screen. It typically stands out, usually as a colored button, making it easy to spot. Upon clicking the New button, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you several options. Among these, select New Folder. This action prompts a simple pop-up window where you need to name your new folder. Feel free to choose a name that clearly reflects the contents or purpose of the folder. Organization is key. Once you've entered your chosen name, go ahead and click Create. Voila! You now have a new folder in Google Drive ready to fill with files. For those instances where you need to keep things even more categorized, the good news is that you can create folders within folders. Simply double-click to enter your newly created folder, repeat the step of clicking New, and then New Folder from the menu. You can continue to nest folders to whatever level you find necessary, but remember that it helps to maintain a tidy and easily navigable structure. As you create and name more folders, always think about the big picture of your organizational hierarchy. Once your folders are set, you're ready to upload files. Open your folder of choice, click on New, and choose File Upload from the drop-down. This allows you to select files from your computer to upload into your designated folder. This movement of files is not limited to PDFs. You can upload Google Docs, Sheets, or any compatible file type. As you explore, keep in mind Google Drive offers plenty of possibilities to enhance your file management experience, so feel free to create, upload, and arrange to your heart's content. That's all there is to creating folders on Google Drive. I hope this guide was helpful, and I encourage you to take some time to explore Google Drive further. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!